Hi, welcome to this one take bike review of the Dawes Mirage ladies bike. This is a commuter bike, sort of hybrid bike from Dawes. I'll show you around the bike first of all, and then we can talk about what we think of it. Okay, so the frame set. So you get a 6061 aluminium frame that's been TIG welded. It's got really strong braces. It's got mounts for mudguards and racks. You get a replaceable gear hanger and aluminium forks as well. So the frame is very lightweight, but you also get the absorbency qualities of aluminium. Okay, components. So you get alloy stem, alloy wheel, alloy stem, alloy handlebars. You get alloy rims. You get mud guards. You get V brakes. You get 18 gears with trigger shifters. You get an alloy seat post. You get a steel rack, rear mud guard, and then the components are Shimano. So the Shimano TZ and Tournai, and you get flat pedals. So the components are pretty good on this. It comes fully loaded, as you can see. I think it's a really good bike, I have to say. Really good bike. And the components are they're not high range or mid range, they're quite low range, but they're very reliable components, and the trigger shifters are a bonus. The welds are amazing. Normally spot down here, but very difficult to go wrong with one of these, with the doors. And then you look here, the welds, there's more weld than there is aluminium on there, I think, which is good. So the build is very good. The look, I think the look is divisive. I think you either love it or hate it. I actually quite like that colour. Some people won't. Looks, yeah, I think it's quite a good looking bike. Value for money. I think if you can find one of these second hand for under a couple of £100, you're getting a bargain. So yeah, I think they are good value for money. Really good value for money, and they're very comfortable to ride as well. I think you could do a lot worse. Would I get one? Ooh, yeah, I would. Because I think the low step over height, I think that's got benefits. Like just in terms of the design. It's well made. Components last forever. Yeah, I think you could do a lot worse on this one. Do a lot worse. If you're buying a ladies hybrid bike, I think you could do a lot worse. Particularly if you've got mobility issues and have difficulty getting your, for want of a better phrase, getting your leg over. The low stand over height is really good. And when you're riding it, you'll be very comfortable. Very comfortable. So yeah, I would buy one. I think they're great.